Hello Glamazons, it's me, and this is going to be an honest review of Liquid IV Hydration Multiplier. Thank you Liquid IV for sending me this product. They sent me 3 products. I was not paid. They just sent them to me to review for free. So this is the Energy Multiplier, which is equivalent to like 1 or 2 cups of coffee, which I don't drink coffee, so this is great. And then they also sent me 2 of their regular products, which would be these right here in different flavors, lemon lime, and then the acai berry. Now what these are, it's an electrolyte drink mix, so it basically hydrates you from within. So basically your water intake goes further. So to really test this out, I purchased this little device here. And what it does is it gives you a little nano mist of hydration as well and changes colors. But the really cool feature about this product here, which you'll see in a second, is it tests your skin's hydration level. So there's a little power button right there. And when you touch it to your skin, when you get it to touch in the right place, it tests the hydration levels in your skin. So this little thing lets you know if your skin is dry or not. So you'll see in a second, which was kind of hard to film it. But yeah, you can see the number 17 came up, which is dry skin, and you see a little red sad face. That lets you know that your skin is dry. So yeah, there you go. I took a picture because it's more clear. So I'm going to put on a little lotion here for demonstration purposes. Just to moisturize my skin so you guys can see the difference from when the little device tells you that your skin is hydrated. So we're going to rub in some body butter here. And my hands are always dry, so, it was a pretty accurate test. I bought this just to see if the Liquid IV actually hydrates me from within. So now that I've hydrated, you see it jumped up to 80. So now my skin is hydrated. So I went out for St. Patrick's Day. I got all dolled up and I went to the bar. I normally don't drink, but St. Patrick's Day is a great excuse, and alcohol is very dehydrating. So I really put this to the test. So here's the bar. I hope you all had a safe, wonderful St. Patrick's Day. So I knew that these babies would come in handy and that I was going to need it the next day. So yeah. And you know what else came in handy? A good slice of pizza, which is very rare for me these days. So here we go, all dolled up and feeling kind of nice from a little bit of alcohol in my system. And so look at me the next day looking pitiful. The struggle was real, guys. So let me test my skin. I'm feeling it. And oh God, my skin is definitely dehydrated. There's a number 5, which I will insert a picture there. Number 6, actually. So Liquid IV to the rescue. Let's see if this really works. And all shopping links and discount links will be in the description box below. The code is Luna de April for a discount off. So you mix this into 16 ounces of water and you stir it up really well. It is made with non-GMO sugar. It's made with naturally mined salt. And it's got some really cool things in it. It's got a lot of electrolytes, and it's got 5 essential vitamins, and it actually does taste pretty good. So here I am drinking it. No artificial sweeteners, no preservatives, no artificial colors. And let's see if my skin is more hydrated. So we're gonna do the little testy thing here, and you gotta get it to stick at the right spot, otherwise you won't get a reading. Yay, look, my skin is a little bit more hydrated. Oh my God, this actually works. So it took me from 6 to 36. I'm very pleased. So thank you, Liquid IV. This is perfect, to avoid those hangovers. And if you know someone who's been low on water, get them this. This is so important. Thank you all for watching. Bye.